I was thinking there ought to be a museum of dumb inspirational quotes. I would go and I'd even bring back a souvenir from my wall. But seriously, there are some real doozies, like your attitude, not your aptitude, will determine your altitude. Dude, your mountaineering or piloting skills will determine your altitude. I have none, which is why I'm in this basement room without windows filming this right now. I'm Jan Himebaugh, and this is The Hammer. Today, we're not going to get caught up in uninspiring, aspirational, inspirational quotes. You are welcome! But when I'm not filming in a basement, BIAW is working to carry the message of home ownership opportunities to Washington's legislature and state agency. And you know what? That's exhausting. But I'm hanging in there. Our team, alongside our great members, do a great job communicating to the pros and cons of policy proposals like permit reform, yay! And shutting off natural gas services, boo! That impact your ability to build homes affordable for our communities. Thank you. We're in the last gasps of session, and don't worry, we'll make sure you know all what's going on. And if you want the nitty-gritty details, let me know at janh@biaw.com, and we can get you in on the legislative update calls on Tuesday mornings. But today, we're talking about how to increase the number of elected officials who are really, truly pro-housing and pro-builder. BIAW and your local associations need more productive conversations with elected leaders as they make policy decisions. So how do we do that? You run for office and then you win. Yes, you, and even you. BIAW, in partnership with some other really great organizations and some real experts in the politicking, are offering 3 campaign schools this spring, April 15th, April 29th, and May 13th in Pierce, Snohomish, and Spokane counties. Click the link to find out the deets, and people who will attend will leave with the nuts and bolts of building an election strategy for victory. If you've ever had an inkling of thinking, I could do that, and that being creating public policy, better than them, this is for you. Look, there's no commitment to actually run, but these workshops will help anyone who kind of sort of may be interested, anyone who is super duper stoked to put their name on the ballot, and anyone who wants to volunteer or work on a campaign, and anyone who just wants to know what the heck a campaign should look like so you can evaluate candidates. Come and join us and learn all the things so we can change the outlook for housing and home ownership opportunities across Washington state. For $20, you'll get a master class on campaigns and lunch. It's better than a sharp stick and a poke in the eye, right? Now, to leave you with an actual good inspirational quote, if good people don't run for office, you can bet that idiot over there will. Who said that? I did, just now. See you at the workshops. Homes start here.